If you're looking for the best side hustle ideas to earn some extra money in 2024, you're in the right place. Whether you are trying to pay off debt or save for a vacation or invest in the future, these side hustle ideas can help you increase your income stream with minimal effort and upfront cost. Stick around because you won't want to miss the top side hustles of 2024 that could change your financial future. Let's dive into the best way to earn extra money this year. In today's economy, developing multiple streams of income isn't such a luxury anymore. It's almost a necessity. A side hustle can help you cover unexpected expenses and pay off debt, or can give you the financial flexibility to invest in things that matter the most to you. Let's start with an easy one, taking online surveys. If you have a few minutes here or there, sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie let you earn reward by answering questions. While you won't get rich, it's a great way to make a couple of $100 a month, especially while you are on the go. If this sounds like a quick way to earn, let me know in the comment below. Looking for something with more income potential? How about starting an online business? E-commerce platforms like Shopify and Squarespace make it easier than ever to start selling products, drop shipping, or even monetizing a blog. Pro tip: starting your own online business gives you the flexibility to work from anywhere and anytime. Do you have a car? If so, delivering food with DoorDash or Uber Eats can be a flexible and rewarding side hustle. You're paid per delivery, and the more you hustle, the more you earn. Have you tried food delivery before? Share in your experiences below. One of the best side hustles for 2024 is freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, or social media manager, there are platforms like Upwork and Bark.com where you can start offering your skills to clients worldwide. Pro tip: start by offering services in areas that you're already skilled in, and you'll grow from there. If you enjoy spending time with others, consider becoming a senior companion. You can earn money while offering companionship and relief to families. Websites like care.com can help you get started. This is a great way to give back to the community while making some extra income. If you're enjoying this video so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how to earn extra money in 2024. I'm constantly updating my list with the best side hustles, so don't miss out. For all you animal lovers out there, why not turn that passion into income? With apps like Rover or Meowtel, you can easily find clients looking for pet sitting or dog walking services. Call to action: who here loves animals? Drop a paw emoji in the comments if this is a perfect side hustle for you. Got extra space? You could be sitting on extra cash. Neighbor.com lets you rent out space in your home for storage. Like Airbnb is a great option for vacation rentals. Pro tip: maximize your profits by offering additional amenities like Wi-Fi or flexible check-in times. With more seniors getting into tech, there's a huge demand for tech setup services. You can help set up phone, computers, or smart devices for people who need a little extra assistance. Pro tip: advertise locally, especially near retirement communities, for a steady stream of clients. That's a wrap on the best side hustles for 2024. From freelancing to food delivery, there are countless ways to earn extra money this year. Which one are you excited to try? Drop it in a comment below. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos, more on ways to make passive income. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Be freelantastic.